Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to draw this octagram in Inkscape. Alright, so to get started we go ahead and we create a new composition. We take the star polygon tool, we set it to polygon, and we set the number of corners to 8, so that to create an octagon. And then we go ahead and we create an octagon. We make sure that it is oriented this way, and that the flat edges of the octagon match its bounding box. Then we're going to start drawing the octagram. So in order to do that, we go to the fill and stroke menu, we set the fill to none, and we're going to set the stroke to 1 millimeter. And then we go ahead and we take the pen tool, we set the first node here at its top left corner, and then we're going to connect it to the third corner. So we jump 2 corners of the octagon and we connect it to the third. And then we're going to continue the process. So we always jump 2 corners and we connect it to the third corner, like this. And we continue the process until we are back to the starting point, like this. So now we have drawn the octagram, and we can delete the octagon as we're not going to need it anymore. And we select the octagram, and we are going to turn it into one object. So we take the shape builder tool, we set the action to add, and here we set replace objects to on. And then we go ahead and we connect all the shapes within the octagram in order to turn it into one object. And then we click on finish, we accept. So now we have created an octagram that is only one object. So we don't have any more the connecting lines that are inside. And then if we want, we can give it a fill and also remove the stroke. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to draw an octagram in Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.